Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Happy Friday. What we have for sale today is a 2019 115 SHO Yamaha tiller handle model. Can be turned into a remote if you want us to do that. We would just pull the tiller handle off, get everything you needed for the remote. It does either come with either a tiller handle or a control box, whichever way you decide to go with it. Again, 25 inch, 653 hours on it. It's had a fresh tune-up. Oil change, gear lube, filters, spark plugs, fuel system's been checked, make sure it's all cleaned. Nice fresh Minnesota motor, excuse me. Got the slow troll mode on the tiller handle up here so you can troll it down. I'll kind of go through that a little bit when we're running it. Let's fire it up and run it for you. Let it warm up for a second. Nice clean engine. Our water pumping. Got forward. So the troll mode works. So it's got two buttons up here. A lot of guys don't know how it works, so I'm going to explain it to you. You can actually push this down. You control the motor way down. Only going to allow you to go so low, about right there. Or you can control it up, whichever way you want to do it. Kind of a neat little feature. Then the tilt and trim switch is in the handle, and I believe it actually has one on the side of the motor also. Yep, right here. So we got neutral. Reverse, neutral again. We'll shut it off. Fire it back up for you. It's raining in Minnesota. If you're interested in it, give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you. Have a great weekend.